Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of software development, collaboration. Specifically, we'll explore how to collaborate with others using Git. Whether you're working on an open source project or in a team at work, mastering Git is a must. So let's get started. Forking and cloning. First up, let's talk about forking and cloning. Forking a repository is like creating your own copy of someone else's project on GitHub. This allows you to make changes without affecting the original project. Let me show you how it's done. 1. Navigate to a GitHub repository. 2. Click the Fork button at the top right corner. 3. You'll see the newly forked repository under your account. Once you've forked the repository, you can clone it to your local machine. Here's how. 1. Click the code button in your forked repository. 2. Copy the HTTPS URL. 3. Open your terminal and type bash git clone repository URL. 4. Press enter and watch your local folder get created. Now you have the repository on your local machine and you're ready to start contributing. Using branches. Next, let's talk about branches. Branches are like different timelines for your project. They allow you to work on new features or bug fixes without affecting the main codebase. 1. Open the terminal in the repository folder. 2. Create a new branch. Bash git checkout b feature/new feature. 3. Switch to the new branch. 4. Make some changes to a file and save it. 5. Stage and commit the changes. Bash git add git commit-m add new feature. Once your changes are complete and tested, it's time to push your branch back to GitHub. 6. Push the branch. Bash git push origin feature/new feature. Your branch is now on GitHub, ready for review and merging. Pull requests and code reviews. Finally, let's discuss pull requests and code reviews. Pull requests are how you propose changes to a repository. They're also where discussions and reviews happen. 1. Go to the forked repository on GitHub. 2. Click the Compare and Pull Request button. 3. Fill out the pull request description explaining your changes. 4. Submit the pull request. Once submitted, the repository owner or collaborators will review your code. They might suggest changes or approve it for merging. Always be open to feedback. It's how we grow as developers. After addressing any feedback, the pull request can be merged. If you're the repository owner, you can do this yourself. Otherwise, the maintainer will take care of it. Closing remarks. And that's it. Today we covered forking and cloning repositories, using branches for safe collaboration, pull requests, and code reviews. With these tools, you'll be well on your way to collaborating effectively using Git. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy coding!